Shipster has been the perfect fit for us. We needed something that would cope with products that we sell, skateboard wheels all the way up to a full-size mountain bike. It allows us to have rules in place, dimensions, weights, number of items per order relative to the delivery addresses, and the courier label is automated by the rule set. Green labels get unloaded first off the back of the wagon, so they're into the network quicker than the economy stuff, which is 2 to 3 day delivery. That ensures that the stuff is going to get there next day, and it's very quick from clicking the final dispatch on Peoplebox to the courier label coming off as well.
The heart of everything is retaining customers. We're more than aware that the products that we sell are often presents, so getting them on time and getting there in one piece is obviously a massive part of what we try and do to retain our spot as number one in the industry. The cost and efficiency improvements since we moved to Shipster were huge. The payment platform on the previous service that we used, we were paying the same regardless if we were shipping 10 orders a day or 1,000 orders a day, which obviously doesn't fit into any business plan efficiently. We did find massive efficiency savings as well, because we could introduce more dispatch stations than we usually would. Get the right technology partners in place, which is always important. Make sure those partners are flexible and they can flex up and down with the business, and always look to improve, never stand still. And that way you've got the best chance in the world of having the best customer service in the world as well.